Hey everybody, Jay here, Fit After 50. Look, I want to talk to you real quick about getting past those places in your workouts where your muscles are sticking and you're not seeing growth. You're putting in the work, but you don't feel like you're getting anything out of it. You should try doing a progression followed by a drop set. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. What you want to do is you want to start working out, find maybe 4 exercises. Let's just say, for an example, you're doing back or biceps or chest, whatever it is. You want to find 4 exercises. It don't have to be 4 exactly. I mean, you could do 3, you could do 5, but 4 is a good number, so let's go with it. You want to find 4 exercises, and you want to take those 4 exercises and you want to progressively go through them. So still keep in mind what we believe with the rep count. I don't do less than 5 reps. I like to do the 12 to 15 rep count, so you want to keep that in mind. But what you want to do is you want to start your workout, okay, this is working sets, and you want to build up. So your first set, you would do your weight so that you can do your 12 to 15. Your second set, you want to sort of follow suit and increase the weight slightly, okay? So you're going to start to feel fatigued on the second. On the third set, you're going to increase the weight some more, and you're going to be reaching failure or close to failure somewhere at a lower rep count, maybe 8 to 10. On your 4th set, bring the weight up to where you're probably hitting failure at 12 reps. And immediately when you hit failure, I'm talking complete failure, stop and then drop your weight a quarter. So bring your weight down 1/4 and then immediately go back and count again from 1 and do more reps, okay? Say you do 6 reps, 7 reps, whatever it is. Stop then and then bring the weight down half from that. So if their last reps you just did were at 30 pounds, then come down to 15 pounds. So whatever it is, bring it down half. And then I want you to max that out to complete failure. And start doing that on each of your workout, of your exercises. So if it's chest, progressively build up and increase your weight, with your 4th or 5th set being your peak weight, as heavy as you want to go, and then drop that weight back down, okay, as you start doing your drop sets. So cut it a quarter and then cut it a half, each one going to failure. So that 4th set or that last set is an extended set, okay? So you're not 12 reps and done or whatever, but it's an extension. So you're going to continue that out, dropping and dropping until you're complete failure. You're going to see when you do that, watch what happens to your muscles, the stimulation, because what you're doing now is you're fatiguing your muscles and you're digging into those muscles and you're taking them to another level of challenge at different places, at a different depth in your muscle fibers. And as you are dropping these sets, you're going to find that you are digging deeper into those muscle fibers. So you want to keep that in mind when you're doing that. Try that out. Let me know how it goes for you. And just tell me what you're doing. Are you now doing this type of progression followed by a drop set at each exercise? Let me know how you're doing with that. And is it working for you? And we're going to catch you on the next one. Go get fit.